The Fonooni Temporal Field Theory, FTFT, proposes that time is not a continuous background parameter, but a dynamic, discrete quantum field that unifies gravity, particle physics, and resolves cosmological singularities. What if a single theory could unlock the universe's greatest mysteries? In this video, we'll reveal the mechanics of a groundbreaking field, break down its underlying formula, and show how it provides a unified framework for gravity and particle physics, even resolving those stubborn cosmological singularities. Explanation of the FTFT temporal scalar field, phi t. In Fonooni Temporal Field Theory, FTFT, the temporal scalar field, phi t, is the new fundamental field that controls the quantization of time, the temporal oscillation frequency, the modification of gravity, the strength of FTFT corrections, and the production of tempions, the quanta of scalar field phi t. The mathematical expressions describe how this field behaves in space and time, how it interacts with matter, and how it stores energy. Let's break down each part in simple terms. 1. The temporal scalar, phi t, x, is a real spin-zero field defined over spacetime. It governs quantization of time, non-local temporal fluctuations, and interacts with gravity and matter through the FTFT Lagrangian. This means the field oscillates back and forth in time. The frequency is set by a fundamental FTFT timescale. This is the core of time quantization. Interpretation. Time is not continuous. It has an internal vibration, and scalar field phi t is the field that carries this vibration. 2. Full spacetime field, or FTFT Lagrangian, for the temporal field. Now we include space. The field oscillates with angular frequency omega t. It has a spatial wave, like a gravitational wave. It may decay slowly over time if mt is non-zero. So the field acts like a breathing spacetime fabric that weakens at long distances, unless it is massless. 3. How fast the field changes, the field equation. This is the main equation of motion. It says, scalar field phi t behaves like a wave. It may have mass, giving it short-range behavior. It can be produced by a source, matter, gravity, curvature, etc. This is the same type of equation used for the Higgs field, electromagnetic waves, gravitational waves. It means scalar field phi t is a real physical field. This is the central dynamical equation of FTFT. It predicts Large Hadron Collider Scalar Resonance, 152 GeV. Gravitational wave, ringed-on modifications. Quantized time delay in lensing. Evolving dark energy WZ. Black hole shadow distortions. Delta oscillations in high luminosity, Large Hadron Collider detectors. SO10, coupling flow deformation. 4. Energy contained in the field and temporal quantization, chronons. This gives the energy density of the temporal field. It has 3 contributions. Time variation gives kinetic energy. Spatial variation gives gradient energy. Mass of the field gives potential energy. This is where FTFT dark energy and dark matter-like effects originate. 5. Interaction with matter and contribution to effective dark energy. This says, any matter with mass energy contributes to JT. The coupling is controlled by a constant scalar field, phi t. Meaning, matter can excite the temporal field, creating small oscillations or tempions. 6. Gravitational wave echo frequency. This is what Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument data release 2 in 2025 reports. The gravitational wave echo frequency in the context the gravitational wave GW echo frequency predicted by the Fonooni Temporal Field Theory, FTFT, is a highly specific value, 1387 Hz. This prediction is one of the most unique and testable signatures of the theory, linking the FTFT scalar field's dynamics to the properties of black holes. When two black holes merge, the initial gravitational wave, ringdom, is emitted. According to FTFT, the remaining gravitational wave energy that approaches the horizon encounters this temporal firewall and is reflected instead of falling in. 7. Coupling to Standard Model, Large Hadron Collider Physics. The most direct link between FTFT and Large Hadron Collider physics is the prediction of the scalar field boson itself, which FTFT treats as a new fundamental scalar with a predicted mass of approx. 152 GeV and a coupling strength of approximately 0.18. Putting it all together, the temporal scalar field phi-t oscillates in time, quantized time, propagates through space, a wave, interacts with matter and gravity, changes gravitational wave echoes, modifies black hole horizons, creates new particles, tempions, stores energy similar to dark energy, controls FTFT corrections in the universe. It is the heartbeat of spacetime in the theory. FTFT strives to deliver testable physics and clear predictions, separating it from more speculative models. So scalar field mainly acts as a soft, tightly constrained deformation of Higgs couplings in precision fits, rather than a dramatic distortion, and Higgs data are one of the key tools for carving out FTFT's viable parameter space. FTFT achieves unification by uniquely quantizing time through the temporal scalar field, embedding this field within a robust string theory foundation, and linking temporal quantum effects to gravitational phenomena. This results in a truly quantum framework for both matter and spacetime, subject to experimental verification in upcoming studies. The data keeps matching the FTFT predictions. We may be living in the first confirmed theory of quantum spacetime. For more information, including detailed equations and formulas, please consult the full report. Refer to the Fonooni Temporal Field Theory webpage and published paper at the Journal of Theoretical Physics and Mathematics Research.